Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working our way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on the dollar yen, I'm definitely still very bullish. I still think it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the monthly, and even the wave 5 looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. So we could be getting kind of close, maybe within, 3 to maybe 8, 10 candles away from this being over on the monthly time frame, and you have to think each candle is a month, and there's really no reason why it couldn't stretch up to the 100% and maybe even higher before it really does end a trend. So going down to the weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame, I'm still looking at this as a 1, 2, 3. I still think this looks like a 4. I think it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe we're in a wave 5 of 5. If it goes back to the 78%, turns down, breaks structure on the weekly, that's going to prove to me the wave 5 is over, and I definitely at that point would start looking for shorts. If it does not do that, it goes up, just bounces, then I would definitely keep looking for longs. There's definitely a chance that it goes up to a higher Fibonacci level before we really do get that big break of structure and a push to the downside. So going down to the daily time frame, buying the dip on the yen pairs is again about the only best strategy that I think you really need to implement. I think that this right here is actually the end of a wave 4. I think this is probably a 1. This is probably an ABC of 2, and I think we're going up for a wave 3, 4, and 5. If it does go up to the 78% fib extension, break structure to the downside, then yeah, you could start looking for shorts at that point. But right now, I think the only strategy is to look for longs at the end of pullbacks. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I am definitely looking for longs at the end of 1, 2, 3 wave ABC corrections. 1, 2, 3 waves down, go long. One down, impulsive up. Impulsive down, corrective up, impulsive down is exactly what I'm looking for entries to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Like I was saying, I think the only strategy on basically every single yen pair is to look for longs at the end of three-way pullbacks for the continuation of these 4 year uptrends on the monthly, weekly time frame. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, there could be a chance that this right here is a wave B, like a 1, 2, 3 of B, and this is right here is a wave A. So it definitely could turn down again for a wave C. If it does turn down, it could be a pretty decent little day trade, but I think I would be very, very cautious about going short because I personally am going to patiently wait for the end of these three-way pullbacks to go long again, just like I've basically been doing for years now on the yen pairs. I do absolutely nothing except for look for longs at the end of three-way pullbacks for the continuation of the big, big, big uptrend on the weekly and monthly time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily Zoom meetings and my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.